Hey Sarah, are you ready for some fireworks? Let's go see some fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we have our observation point right next to the very large, very posh hotel. We have our frankly ludicrously expensive Starbucks. Hello. But I didn't buy coffee, so I'm not as much of a consumerist whore as you are, so that's something at least.
And it makes you feel better it's terrible coffee.
No, it doesn't, because I just paid.
For.
Yeah.
I'm poor.
So we have our observation point, and soon we'll see some fireworks. Woo! So we now have a slightly better viewpoint.
Oh, hey, look at it.
Yes, there is an angel.
Doctor Who fans, beware.
Zoom in on the angel. It's all right. We've snuck up behind it. It can't see us.
Oh, quick, buzz. Where's my lip balm gone? Because that coffee is just all over.
You should just be able to make out people only just going into the thing, queuing up outside. This is
Please.
demonstrating another wonderful British tradition, or two traditions in fact, lateness
Shuffling.
and queuing. So here we are. However, we're alright because we are demonstrating the other great British tradition of trying to find a way to see something for free. Lovely, darling. You look fabulous. Don't draw on me with lipstick.
Oh, so when it says record in massive letters.
Yeah, that's... hello.
Wow, that was really unpleasant.
That was really
You were
close.
really close.
My paw. Think of my paw.
And that is Bath Rugby Club, where we have never been, for we are not sporty.
Yes.
And those are some people who got here slightly later than us and therefore have worse standing rooms. And those are the people who got here before us and have better standing rooms. So this is our place. And that is all. Oh, and over there, around that corner, is the Starbucks, where we got really bad coffee.
Where we got conned.
We did. I still have the cups, so we might post them back to the letterbox later with little signs on them saying, oh, a Union Jack taxi. Right there, how do I zoom?
Zoom is that slidey one there. Push it up, there we go. Zoom!
Yeah, and a man and a woman. And a Vicky.
Please zoom out.
Please
there we
zoom
go.
out.
Marble. Yes, that is a marble. Sarah's lucky marble.
It's not really lucky. It's the marble I want to shove up people's noses when they disagree with me.
I didn't say anything to disagree with you.
Yeah, but you looked like you disagreed with the marble.
Start recording. There we go. So Sarah, what do you think is the best thing about fan fiction writer already painfully gone?
Really?
Yes.
In public?
Yes, in public.
The size of her.
Charming.
You're small!
Yes, I am. I am actually, if the stats on his IMDb page are to be believed, I will put this out there on the internet. I am shorter than Richard Speight Jr. So I can only imagine what it would look like if we ever stood next to Jared Padalecki.
Which was not likely to happen.
No.
Those are some English policemen in case things get frisky. But that's their legitimate job. Like, it's not like protect and serve, it's if things get frisky.
Let's take the camera back into the hands of the person who's supposed to be looking after the camera.
Yeah, great job on that.
Yes.
You didn't really give up much of a fight.
No. Oh, come on. Let's compare for a moment here. How would I put up much of a fight? Right? And now we'll put me in frame. Yes. This is a November the 5th Guy Fawkes message from Already Painfully Gone and from Madam Mim. I forgot my own name.
It's not really.
Remember the 5th of November for gunpowder treason and plot. And this is the reason that gunpowder treason will never be forgot.
Because it's what took Vicky's legs below the knee,
Yes.
and that's why she's so small.
And this is basically us trying to kill time until the actual fireworks display starts. Because there's some going on over there.
Which you probably can't
Which
see.
you probably can't quite make out. Oh, I don't know if I zoom in. There we go. There's some going on over in that general direction.
Miles away.
Miles away. And it's not the display we came to
That's
see.
London.
Yes. For anyone who doesn't know British geography, Bath is right next to London.
I don't know British geography.
We visit the Queen on a regular basis.
No, there she is. There she is.
There she is. Oh, there she is. Oh, you missed her. You missed her. Rats. I can see!
Alright, Shorty.
Yes. Haha! This is how normal people feel. Someone sent off a flying lantern. Doesn't it look so pretty? All the way up there, heading for the 1 star in the Bath night sky.
And missing it by... catching fire and falling back.
And then landing on some very confused cow.
Region of Petrie.
Look at all the people who come to Bath for fireworks night. There are some little people and some people who are just very far away.
Little people. We're not that little. I bet I'm like...
You're littler than me and I'm very little, so therefore you're quite little.
No, but I'm only a little bit littler than you.
Look, there's even more people all the way over there. I'm going to hold the camera up above my head so we can see all the massive amounts of people. There's people up on that balcony there.
There's people in
There's people, there's a person right there. There's some people all the way over there. I'm going to zoom in on them. There's loads of people. And even if we're cold, I think it's a good idea that we got here early, don't you?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Even though we had terrible coffee.
Yes.
I'm not letting that go.
You're not letting it go. I paid for it.
But I had to drink it.
No, you didn't have to.
You made me.
Ooh. Ah. Wow.
Filmed enough fireworks now.
Possibly.
Can't imagine this being very thrilling.
Okay, that one looked like googly eyes, so I think we're going to stop there. So that was a film of fireworks night.
Yes, it was.
Bye bye Tumblr.
Bye bye, Tumblr.
Bye bye Internet.
Bye bye, Internet. Bye bye, Mimi.
Bye bye Mimi.